A box of mass 5 kg is pulled by the cart up along a frictionless plane inclined at an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal direction. The tension on a cart is given as 30 Newton. Find the acceleration of a box. The net force acting along the inclined plane can be written as F net is equal T minus mg sin theta, whereas T is representing the tension on a string and mg sin theta is representing the component of a weight, whereas the tension on a card is given as 30 Newton, whereas the mass of a block is given as 5 kg and the value of g is equal to 10 meter per second square we know, and the value of theta is given as 30 degree. So let us apply the value. So the net force will be equal to 30 minus 5 times 10 times sine of 30 degree. When we are simplifying, we will get 30 minus 25, which will be equal to 5 Newton. Now, we have a value of net force and we have a mass as well. So, based on equation of Newton's second law, we can write F is equal ma, and from this, we can write acceleration is equal force divided by mass. And when we are applying the value here, 5 Newton divided by 5 kg, we will get the answer of 1 meter per second square. So the correct answer for this question is option D.